The FCX24M is the best and scalest looking 1/24th you can get on the market right now for the price. There, I said it. That's all. A lot of car, well, a lot of little car for the money. Like seriously, look at all the scale components on this thing. It's incredible what you get. And they come with cool little scale interiors too. I think I'm in the shot. Am I in the shot? So this is FMS's newest budget lineup for 1/24 scale trucks. But I do love my FCX24.
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
And in my opinion, this is the best 1/24 scale chassis on the market. And I'm a sucker for square bodies, and I'll explain why in that future video. But it is a little bit more expensive. Now I think they call this the FCX24M because it's mini. Look at it in size comparison. Well, maybe not. If you look, these are all kind of the same size. This one's just a bit chunky. The FCX24 is way bigger in scale. These axles won't swap over either. But they have a very different transmission and a smaller motor. Not to mention their straight axle. Bodies are hinged, which is nice. And instead of pins, they've got Velcro so it doesn't detract from the scale details. Comparisons aside, they still have the same ESC. And they also come with a 2-speed transmission. That's a lot of car for 139 bucks. You don't see too many 1990s Discoveries. When I was a kid, this was Range Rover. This thing just screams 80s boxy design. This body style is gonna take off, I know it. On a vacation with the fam and I took these along with me. And we kind of got into a bit of salt water, which I don't recommend. But if you take care of it quickly and wash them all with a ton of fresh water and set them to dry, they'll still work. These ones are still working just fine. I was hoping to get some really epic shots with my daughter, but we just ended up smashing into each other and having fun. Take a watch. Okay, back it up. Grab it for us. I did not see that wave coming.
Dude, it's going! Go!
Can't believe it. We broke both of these in like 5 minutes. That came in fast. Did you get wet? I got my feet soaked. crap.